Okay, so now we are going to start with question number 3 of exercise 7.1. Okay, again they are telling us to find the area of a figure. Now they are telling us to find area of trapezium. Okay, area of trapezium is to be found. Right, now the coordinates are given a 4 comma minus 1, b a 4 comma minus 1, b 2 comma 3, b 2 comma 3 will be given, c minus 1 comma 3 will be given, c minus 1 comma 3 is given. Okay, and d is given to me as minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so a is given 4 comma minus 1, b is given 2 comma 3, c is given minus 1 comma 3, and d is given minus 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so I have to find the area of trapezium. Okay, so first of all, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, x4 y4. Okay, I am using that arrow method, but be careful with it. The second method which I have explained you, that in which we make arrow, that is only for add mass. We don't use that thing in mass. In mass you have also got a coordinate geometry topic. Every concept is same, but this finding arrow one, it will not be applied in mass, because in mass they are going to give you diagram in a proper graph. In add mass it will not be given on a proper graph. Okay, it can be a rough sketching, but it will not up to the scale. But in mass they will give you in a proper graph, every wording, every blocks will be there. So you cannot apply the arrow method in mass, it is only for add mass. Okay, so now 4 minus 1, 2 and 3, minus 1 3, minus 2 minus 1, and then 4 minus 1 repeated. Okay, I have to find area, half, then modulus, bracket, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 3s are 6 plus minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1, and minus 2 minus 1 will be 2 minus 4 into minus 1 will be minus 4, minus 2 into 3 will be minus 6, minus 1 into minus 3 will be minus 3, and 2 into minus 1 will be 2 modulus 12. Okay, a equals to half, 12 plus 6 18, 19, 20, 21, minus 7, 6 4 10, 4 plus 6 10, 10 3 13, 13 or 2 15, so it's coming minus 15 over here. Okay, it's coming minus 15. When I'm going to simplify it further, what will happen? This will become a equals to half, minus minus plus, so 21 plus 15 is this. Simplifying it further, a equals to half, 21 plus 15, so the answer will be 36, and when I will cancel it, the final answer is coming a equals to 18 unit square. Okay, that is going to be your final answer for this one by our second method, by our arrow method. Okay, now I am going to solve the same question by the first method, by looking at that either we are having some same values or not, okay, some same repeated values or not, okay. So first of all, I am writing my coordinates again. A equals to 4 comma minus 1, B equals to 2 comma 3, C equals to minus 1 comma 3, and D equals to minus 2 comma minus 1. Right? This is the thing. So now I am going to see either I am having some repeated values or not. Okay. So you guys can see over here that on y-axis 4, 2, minus 1, minus 2, none of them are repeated. Okay. On x-axis minus 1, minus 1 is here. Okay. So I have these two. And 3 and 3 I have marked these two. So what does it show? Basically it means the repeated ones are on the same line and the other set of repeated ones are on the same line. Okay. So if I draw a rough diagram, just a rough sketching, I am not saying it should be like that. So A and B are having repeated values and B and C are having repeated values. So if I will draw a rough sketch of my trapezium, it can be in any form. I have made it like this beta. Okay. So A, B, C, D. Again, it's just a rough sketch, so you don't have to worry about sir, A is having minus 1 and minus 1 on y-axis and B and C are having 3 and 3. It's just a rough sketch. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. So, area of trapezium formula is half into height into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides. Okay, sum of parallel sides. So, what are the parallel sides? The ones which are repeated ones, those are parallel sides. Okay, so area equals to half. Achha, first of all, I am going for sum of parallel sides. It means I have to find AD and I have to find BC. And then I will add them. I will find the length of AD and I will find the length of BC and I will add them. Now, one more thing I am doing better just to save you guys from confusion. So I am making it the way it's given over here. B and C are 3 and 3, so I have written it in this way. A and D are minus 1 and minus 1 on y-axis, so I have written it in the bottom. Now going for the height. What to do with height? So see, this is BC length, this is AD length. And if I will find the length between these two, so I will have my height. So according to graph, if I draw it on the graph, what is happening? This thing is at 3, just a rough sketch, and this thing is at minus 1. Okay, repeated value 3, repeated value minus 1. So, what's the difference between them? I will write it in modulus. 3 minus 1, that will also be written in modulus. Okay. If you don't write this thing in modulus, it's totally okay. You don't need it. You can write them in brackets, but this has to be modulus. Okay. What I have then? Highest repeated value minus lowest repeated value. That I have written over here. Okay. So now area of trapezium half into minus minus plus 3 plus 1 will be 4. Multiply the difference of AD, the distance of AD which you have to find by using distance formula. I am directly telling you the answer over here that AD is coming 6 plus BC is coming 3. Okay, I have written it in directly form. You have to apply distance formula to find AD, distance formula to find BC, and then you will solve it to get your answer. So area of will be this and this will be cancelled. 6 plus 3 will be 9. So area equals to 18 unit square. Okay, area will be equals to 18 unit square, and 18 unit square is over here also. Again, I am telling you, when will you use this method? When you are having repeated values. Okay, if no repeated value is given or only one set of repeated value given in trapezium, go with this method. Don't go with this method. Okay, this is only for repeated values, right? After that, they have asked for perimeter of this trapezium. Okay, and we know that trapezium perimeter will be what? So for trapezium, what will I do? I will add AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. I will add all of them. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. I will add all of them to get my answer. Okay, and you have to use distance formula to get the value of A, B, C, D in this scenario. Now, as you are familiar with AB and everything, so I am not solving them. I am just writing their answers which I have got by using distance formula. AB is coming 4.47. That's my first one. AB is coming 4.47. Then BC is coming 3. I have used distance formula beta. You have to use distance formula. Then CD is coming 4.12. Okay. AB I have got 4.47. BC I have got 3. CD I have got 4.12. And the last one, AD equals to 6 is coming. Okay. So when you are going to add them and you are going to simplify them, you will have your perimeter answer, which is coming 17.6 units, and they have asked that we have to show that the perimeter is coming 17.6 units. So we have found the AB, BC, CD, AD by using distance formula. These are the answers of those ones. You will add them and the result will be coming 17.6. So it means they have given us right value of perimeter.